Have you ever wondered what makes everything around us work? Chemistry holds the answers, revealing the magic behind the things we touch, smell, and breathe. It's not just formulas or textbooks. Chemistry is the unseen force behind everything, from simple reactions to complex transformations. Today, we'll explore how everyday things are made up of tiny particles, atoms, and molecules. Imagine a single drop of water. It looks simple, doesn't it? But did you know that inside it, billions of molecules are constantly moving, interacting, and reacting? Chemistry is at the core of all these processes. Every single element, every bond between atoms creates something unique. In today's video, we're going to break it all down for you, making it as simple as possible to understand how chemistry shapes the world around us. Stick with us as we uncover the magic and wonder behind the basic principles of chemistry. What is chemistry, really? It's the study of matter, its properties, and how different substances interact with one another. When you mix substances like baking soda and vinegar, you witness a chemical reaction. And guess what? That's chemistry in action. It might sound like a simple experiment, but every time two substances come together and create something new, chemistry is the driving force behind it. But let's take it a step further. Chemistry is responsible for all the physical and chemical properties of the world. The color of a flower, the taste of your favorite food, and even the air we breathe. Each of these is shaped by chemical interactions. The periodic table, a chart that lists all the known elements, is the blueprint of everything in the universe. By combining elements in different ways, we can create new compounds, materials, and even medicines that can change lives. Let's start with one of the most common chemical reactions, combustion. You've seen it countless times when something burns, like wood in a fire or gasoline in your car's engine. When the fuel reacts with oxygen in the air, it releases energy in the form of heat and light. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Behind every reaction is a complex set of chemical bonds breaking and forming, creating something entirely new. The power of chemistry is literally the power that keeps us moving. Chemistry can also be a little like magic, things changing right before your eyes. Consider the reaction between lemon juice and baking soda. When mixed, they create bubbles and you get a fizzy explosion. But here's the twist. The bubbles are actually carbon dioxide gas, which is released as a result of the acid-base reaction. This is chemistry, turning a simple combination of substances into an exciting spectacle. Now let's think bigger. What happens when chemicals combine in more complex ways? Take, for instance, the process of photosynthesis in plants. Plants use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide from the air and water from the ground into sugars, which provide them with the energy to grow. This process, powered by chemistry, is responsible for life on Earth. Without chemistry, plants wouldn't be able to produce oxygen, and we wouldn't have the air we need to breathe. But chemistry isn't just about natural processes. It also powers the world of technology. Think about the electronics in your phone, the batteries that power it, or the materials used to build it. These are all products of chemical reactions. Batteries store energy chemically, and when you use your phone, that energy is released as electricity. Every click, swipe, and tap on your device is thanks to chemical engineering. One of the most exciting things about chemistry is how it can make the impossible possible. Take the example of plastic. While it may seem like a modern-day convenience, plastic is a chemical product created through polymerization, a process that links small molecules called monomers into long chains. This makes plastic incredibly versatile, used in everything from packaging to medical devices. The power of chemistry allows us to create materials that are lightweight, durable, and adaptable to countless uses. Let's zoom in on the tiniest of all things, atoms. These tiny building blocks are the foundation of everything in the universe. Atoms are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons, and their arrangement and interactions determine the properties of substances. It's like a puzzle. When the pieces fit together just right, something new is created. Understanding atoms is the key to understanding everything from the air you breathe to the food you eat. But what happens when atoms don't just stay in their normal states? They can undergo changes. For example, when you apply heat to a piece of metal, the atoms inside the metal vibrate faster, and the metal can melt or change shape. This is called a physical change. But there are also chemical changes, where new substances are formed. The beauty of chemistry is in these transformations, how something as simple as heat or pressure can alter the very nature of a substance. The human body is another incredible example of chemistry in action. From the moment you take a breath, oxygen travels through your body, undergoing chemical reactions with your cells to produce energy. Digestion is another prime example. When you eat food, enzymes break down complex molecules into simpler ones that your body can use. Every process in your body relies on chemistry, from the way you digest food to how you store energy. And let's not forget about the environment. Chemistry helps us understand and address major issues like pollution. When harmful chemicals are released into the air, water, or soil, they can cause serious environmental damage. But by studying these chemical processes, scientists can develop solutions like cleaner fuels and sustainable materials to reduce our impact on the planet. Chemistry isn't just about creating things, it's also about solving problems and making the world a better place. As we explore the world of chemistry, remember, every reaction, every transformation is part of a much bigger picture. Chemistry is more than just a science, it's the language of the universe. It helps us understand how the world works, how we can innovate, and how we can make life better for everyone. Whether you're creating new materials or simply making a fizzy drink, chemistry is there, turning the ordinary into something extraordinary. As we wrap up this journey through the world of chemistry, we hope you've gained a new appreciation for the magic happening all around us. Whether it's the simple fizz of a soda can or the complex processes that power life itself, chemistry is constantly shaping our world. With every experiment, every reaction, we uncover more about the forces that control our universe. And the best part? This is just the beginning. There's so much more to discover. If you're fascinated by how everything works, how the invisible reactions around us create the reality we live in, then you're in the right place. Chemistry is everywhere, and there's no limit to what we can learn together. So, if this video sparked your curiosity, imagine what else we can uncover in the world of science. From exploring chemical bonds to learning how breakthroughs in chemistry impact our daily lives, there's always more to dive into. If you want to continue this exciting journey and never miss out on more fascinating stories, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Join our growing community of science lovers who are always ready to explore, learn, and have fun with chemistry. We promise to bring you even more cool experiments, mind-blowing facts, and simple explanations of the complex processes that make our world tick. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Your likes help us grow and bring more amazing content to you, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and tell us what part of chemistry fascinates you the most. Maybe you have a favorite experiment or a burning question that you'd like us to explore next. Your input means a lot to us and helps us make better content for you. Remember, chemistry isn't just for scientists in labs, it's something you encounter every day. From cooking in the kitchen to breathing in the air, chemistry is always at work. So keep being curious, keep exploring, and stay tuned for more incredible discoveries. We're just getting started. The world of chemistry is full of surprises, and we're here to guide you through it. So let's keep this adventure going together. If you want more videos like this one, don't hesitate to check out our other content on the channel. And of course, make sure you're subscribed so you never miss the next exciting chemistry experiment, fact, or deep dive into the world of science. As we conclude, remember that knowledge is power, and the more we know about chemistry, the more we can understand how the universe works. Whether you're interested in the beauty of chemical reactions, the discoveries of great scientists, or how chemistry can change our lives, there's always something new to learn. So, let's keep exploring and making the complex simple together. Thank you so much for watching. We're excited to have you on this chemistry adventure with us, and we can't wait to share more amazing discoveries. So stay curious, stay inspired, and as always, keep learning. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next video. Now, it's your turn. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to join our community of explorers who are ready to dive deeper into the science that shapes our world. Let's make chemistry not just a subject, but a part of our everyday lives. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video, where the wonders of science await.